traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 17th, and this is my recap of the top 5 videos of the day, and gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis this morning from gold, then make sure you check out the video at the link at the end of this video over here. So gold definitely did break structure down today. I would at least consider it did break structure on the 1 hour time frame. To me, literally every single higher time frame is still in an uptrend. So I'm definitely still very, very bullish on the long time frames for sure. But we did have a break of structure to the downside. I think there's a very good chance at some point this is going to bounce off a Fibonacci level, likely maybe even the 38%, and end up continuing the uptrend. To me, pretty much all the dollar pairs, at least on the higher time frames, look like the trend is up and that the trend is not over. And yeah, if you're a scalper, you could definitely be shorting it, especially after the break of structure. But keep in mind that this move down probably is very likely a correction to the last 5 waves up. Now, tomorrow is a really big day. We have FOMC interest rate coming out tomorrow, and I will be live streaming for this news event on YouTube at the time of the news, so definitely stop in for that. But they are planning on lowering interest rates tomorrow for the first time in years, so it should potentially be a very, very volatile news event. And yeah, I'm definitely going to have to reevaluate things prior to the news. As of right now, to be honest with you, the US dollar index, to me, looks like it preferably would go up at the news, at least temporarily. If the US dollar really does go up at the news, then gold and all the dollar pairs potentially would go down. But like I said, I will be live streaming for that tomorrow, and I'm definitely going to have to look at it right prior to the news for a better idea of what's likely to happen. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.